Using a free-range system in a poultry farm, it is better for a bird, especially when your farm is located in rural areas where there's enough space where these birds can gather and also be able to move from one place to another. We have animal welfare. With free-range system, this allows chicken to exhibit natural behaviors such as frogging, dust bathing, and scratching the ground. This contributes to their overall well-being and reduces the stress, leading to a healthier birds in the given area, and it will also make the birds to be happy. Hello my people, welcome back to my channel. Kindly, if you are new, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell, like the video and share, and you'll be notified for every video if we upload it here on our channel. So without wasting time, today we are going to be sharing the benefits of using free range system when you are carrying out poultry farming. It is the best method. I've seen many people or farmers who are practicing this, and it is the easiest way of getting lots of birds without putting more effort, but you will realize it when it has give you the profits. There's no need of taking too much care because the birds can go and get the food by itself and without improved nutrition. Chickens in free range system can forage for a variety of foods including insects, worms, and plants. This diverse diet can lead to more nutritious eggs and meat with a higher levels of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins. Once they eat those natural insects and worms, of course worms are also considered under that category, this will help the birds to have the ability to fight some diseases, of course, and it will help them to maintain a better health in their life. Environmental sustainability. Free range system can be more environmentally friendly than intensive farming. The bird's manure fertilizes the soil, and the land is often used in rotational manner, which can improve soil health and reduce the environmental impact of the poultry farming in a given area. When these birds make poop on the ground, this means that those poop will fertilize those soil where they have done their activities. So it helps the soil to gain more fertility, and this will help you as a farmer to grow your crops. And once you grow your crops, you'll be aware that there is manure. Of course, sometimes you may not know, but when you keep this free range system on the land where you can grow your plants, so this will help you even to aid more yields as far as this activity is concerned. Pest control. Free range chickens help control pests as they eat insects and larvae that could otherwise harm crops or gardens. This natural pest control reduces the need of chemical pesticides in your farm. There is reduced in disease spread. When it comes to free range system, these birds have the capacity to move from one place to another, but avoiding themselves to be in a confined area. And not only that one, but this will also help you to save the money of bringing in a veterinary doctor to carry out that survey what has caused the disease in your poultry. But this helps the birds to also get enough fresh air because they are not confined in one place, and also have enough exercise in their lifetime. We we have consumer preference. With consumer preference, people who will come and buy the birds that you have in your farm, people who will come and buy the eggs which you have in your farm, these people will be aware of the food these birds eat, because many people consider local things as they are more healthier. So these birds, when they continue eating these insects, it will make them to have the ability and even gain more natural vitamins and minerals which are found in these natural food which they eat. They can even eat the vegetables, because I have seen those birds eating the vegetables and many others like the insects. So when the consumer come, these people will be aware that this is the meat which they need, because the meat which is provided in these local birds, it will not be the same as the one which is being provided from the exotic breed of the birds. So even the taste of the meat will be different. Yeah, the taste will be different from those birds which are consuming their own food, these birds which are trying to get their own food when they are in free range system. We have animal welfare. With free range system, this allows chicken to exhibit natural behaviors such as frogging, dust bathing, and scratching the ground. This contributes to their overall well-being and reduces the stress, leading to a healthier birds in the given area, and it will also make the birds to be happy. Economic benefits. Free range products like eggs, we have got the meat. Of course, the meat, I've already mentioned that one. These people, the consumers, will be aware that those products, they are higher in demand, and you, the farmer, you are able to put your own price, and those consumers will be able to buy your birds. And any product like meat and others, will be aware of the price that you are putting on there, because they know these local birds have a better taste of meat. When these birds eat those insects, of course they depend on those insects that are found in the soil. You find them while they are scratching, they are trying to get food, because they are depending on natural food. And once they depend on that natural food, it will also help them to be more healthier. Yeah, because they are depending on natural food, and they will be able to sustain their life. They will have that ability to fight against some diseases which can attack them through eating those insects that are found in the soil, like worms and many others. That is the end of our video. Kindly consider subscribing, hit that notification bell. I wish you the best. Have a great week. Salute you. Bye bye.